Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, Sasyakal, Assalamu alaikum. So now I'm going to introduce my second officer. You can see now. He will explain
Hi.
in CCR.
Yeah, hello guys. My friend Abu sir told me to explain about the CCR. So, the first thing is CCR means cargo control room. So, cargo control room means that in tankers, containers, bulky, so we have cargo control room. But most probably in the tankers, the main important place is the cargo control room because we are controlling the cargo from the CCR. So, from the beginning you can see that, oh, so many switches and so many panels. It looks like complicated, but I will explain further and I will explain briefly what is in this panel and how we operate, when we operate these panels, everything in the CCR. So first thing, please turn the camera for this side.
Okay.
Yeah, first thing, so you can see now there is lot of switches here. So I'll explain simply. So we have two systems. This is ballast system for the blue color lines. So this is cargo system. So I'll explain first what is the ballast system. So ballast system is that you guys know, maybe some guys know, maybe some guys don't know. So we are ballasting the ship by using the water. So we have big water tanks inside the ship under the deck. So in our ship we have four ballast tanks. So this is forward four peak tank, and sorry, we have five. So four peak and number one, number two, so number three, number four. Sometimes we have half peak tank also we are using. So this is the switches for the hydraulic valves. If we operate this, so this side is open, this side is closed. So if we want to operate the means open the valve, we can switch on, means we can turn to this side, so it will automatically opening by the hydraulic system inside the tank. So this is the ballast system. Actually I cannot explain further because we have time limits also for this video. So in here you can see that this is number one ballast pump, so number two ballast pump. There is two ballast pump in our pump room. We have pump room that we are calling pump room because there is all cargo pumps, COP pumps. We have three COP pumps and two ballast pumps. So there is one and two, number one and number two ballast pump. So this is the ballast pump main valves. So okay, then I'll go to the cargo system. So we have main three cargo pumps, COP pump. We have COP pump. So there is two type of pumps mainly. So what is one is COP, then other one is Framo. So in our ships we are using COP pump. So you can see now, same as the ballast system, we have cargo tanks under the deck in our ship. So you can see now, so number one, number two, number three, number four, number five, number six, and also we have slope tanks also and ROT tank. So normally same like the ballast tanks, we can operate the tank valves from the these switches. We can turn this side, then it will automatically opening from the hydraulic system. And here you have the cargo pump, and here this is the bulkhead valve for the cargo lines. And here you can see, please come closer. Yeah, so this is the manifold means we are connecting the hoses. So suppose we are taking oil from the terminal or from the port or from other ship. So we have to connect hoses. Then suppose we are discharging also, we have to connect the hoses for these three lines. We have green line, yellow line, and red line. So both side, port, starboard, we have the manifold. So this is the manifold valve, main valves from the hydraulic system. Same all in our ships, lot of valves are hydraulic. So that is means very easy to work in this kind of ships because of hydraulic than the manual valves. Okay, this is the main thing about the cargo system and the ballast system, and I can explain more, but because of the time limit, it's limited. So you can see here, this is the suction pressure and discharge pressure we can watch for the cargo and also the ballast. And so this is the engine room fuel tanks. We can see the ullages, and yeah, this is the important thing. You can see here there is a panel for that. Now you can see this is the ballast tanks. So I explained before, we have ballast tanks there. So this is the panel. We can see how much level is the water inside the tank. So now this is number 2 wing tank and number 2 DB tanks. We have this much water, 19.22 meters, 19.12 meters, 20 meters, 20 meters. So this our tank radar is showing exactly the limit of the inside limit of the water inside the tanks. Then you can change over it to the cargo also. Okay, this is the cargo tank. Now we are in dry dock. Because of that, there is no cargo. We are empty now. There is no cargo. That's why it's showing the maximum ullage 20. So we are in because of the dock. This is the lodicator, loading computer. So this is very important for the chief officer when he is making the loading plan, and because he has to monitor the stresses of the ship. From here you can see, and the stability of the ship, that is very important, because otherwise when we go to open sea, maybe ship might be broken or maybe some damage, or maybe ship will be listed. So that is very dangerous for the ship crew and the ship cargo. So we can manage and we can plan the cargo plan from this computer. This is very important. So this one also important. This is the gas monitor system. So inside the cargo pump room, if there is any hydrocarbon, so we can see from this panel, and also oxygen level now 20.1 you can see here. So that is very important when we, because pump room also enclosed space, same like enclosed space, there is a lot of dangerous gases maybe. So we can identify from this panel about the dangerous gases. So guys, this is the CCR. So I think you can understand about the CCR very well.